tire off. Got 2 jacks pushing the hub off. We had this one off once before. So we did it last time. We had to heat that hub up. This is why we got to get her off. Thick's been riding there for a long ways.
Push it with the push it else on the freedom. Push it with the jack.
Yep. Jacks?
Yep.
It's all. Okay. Just wait. We had this one off once before, so it might be a little easier. Good job, cameraman. So he's taking that other tire off. We'll my phone stays there. Try and pull that other thing off. Off. Get a good new tire. We got some extra tires for it. Flip this guy over. Set him on. There, I got him. Set him somewhere. Set him on the way here. Maybe lean him up against his back one. Now, I'm sure it's not that hot after sitting in the slush. Okay, we'll grab this other tire off here. Go up to the boneyard. He's getting another lug nut off there. Pick him up with the fork. Oh boy. Ain't much to grab there. Skid loader's the most versatile thing you'll ever own. There, we got our tire. The old stick went through. We'll have to get a new one put on or somewhere here. some reason the fronts really went bald fast, all the road miles on. You can sit by that tree there. Oh, that's right, man. Okay. valve stem is on this one. My tire pile, I guess. We got some big tracks there. Okay, we got 3 to choose from. Oh, this one almost looks like the best one, but I think Dad put some hay bales in front of him. So we determined that we only got one of these 3 to choose from that has got the right direction tread, so we're gonna pick that one. And that one looks like the best one anyhow, so I think they're all off the same tractor. I got it from a salvage yard in Iowa. That valve stem, but we got her close. Lift up on the bottom of the tire. Push her in. This is a little one kind. I think. Let's push the bottom in and see how it looks. Yeah, we're gonna have to jack it up. Oop. These ones don't have fluid in anyhow. The rest of them did. We don't really pull enough heavy stuff to need the fluid. All 8 anyhow. Yeah, he figured out that it needs to be jacked up, I think. Better hold in on it for him. So it don't fall out. valves, got to go back on there. Get seesawed around here. Okay. Spear him through the center. No, Dad, don't stop. No, whatever. I just wanted him barely on there, so catch, but I think maybe I could just put it up, tie it up to the axle and slide her on there. Or, well, he can anyhow. And that's in the blind spot where you can't see her very good. And neither can I, but I can guess. What? Yeah, I think he's just sliding right on there. Got her! And there he's got her sitting on there.
Good job putting that home on there, man. Yeah, it was good. I guess it don't matter. It don't matter. Well, I might as well get the other tire.
Time to get the next tire. This one's going to be right on the valve stem where I pick it up. Correct that. Maybe we'll be gentle and see where it's at. Oh, it's on the bottom. Never get that lucky. I got it with the wrong time. So I pick it up with the right time. It won't be too close to the side of the tractor. I'll end up spearing a hole in it. Pick it up with the other time. Otherwise. We'll just try and slide her up there like we did with the last one, I guess. Like it's about pretty close to the right rotation. You can start a bolt on that right hand side, it looks like.
Oh, there's the other tire behind it.
How close am I to the other tire? How close am I to the inner tire? Oh, okay. Kind of see the bolt holes, so we really got to be too much direction. Looks like it's going back in. Don't shit too much. I want to tip my head so I don't spear that inner tire. If anybody's wondering why he's out there working, I'm in here. It's a lot scarier with him in here and me out there. We got one started and hanging on there, so we'll get the rest by hand. Well, there she is. This tire looks a lot flatter across the top than this one. I don't know why. But this is just normal tractor tread. But this is a Firestone. They're way better than whatever these are on here. So, anyhow. She'll last a long time. I checked the air in it. Had like 15 pounds. So to get the air to run the big 3/4 gun, we'll get an old propane tank, and then I just unhooked the hose, but we filled that with, well, at our big shop we got a big compressor, but here at my garage I got kind of a big compressor, and then it tied into another tank. So plenty of air to back up the big guns.